What you doing? Is it time to be the mayor?
There's so many people to greet.
Tiffin's. As far as the eye can see. All the doggies are excited.
She's like, let me at her.
Goodness. So we made it. We're at our first official large, full-size Tiffin Rally.
Yes. I think they said there was about 400 rigs here, so you figure probably about 800 people. Has a lot.
We made it. We got to go turn in our paperwork.
Oh.
We had to go get our lanyard things on.
Mm-hmm. We have to go find our match.
Yeah. Top priority.
Stop that. That's a pretty bus.
That is a pretty one. So, anyways, enough gawking.
This rally's theme is the 70s. Yes, it is. Yeah, so this year's theme, or this rally's theme, is the 70s. So Saturday and Sunday, it seems to be pretty standard that they do a member-sponsored meet and greet at the pool, potluck style. So you were supposed to bring something that was a 70s inspired theme.
So that's not working anyway.
Oh, okay.
So we'll just talk loud.
All right.
So what do you think of day 2? The second night? Still just meet and greet? No actual activities yet?
This is still not official rally night.
It is not. But what did we do today?
We went and swam with the manatees, and it was awesome. I loved it. They're such gentle giants. It was the best. I loved it.
Yeah. It was pretty cool. Other than when I put my phone in the water.
Yeah.
I had to go buy a new phone.
Yeah. I was trying to focus on the good part of the day.
Yeah. I'll focus on the whole day.
Ooh.
But we did get a private Manatee tour.
We did.
And they didn't even charge us for it because no one else signed up for it.
Yeah, it was crazy and it was awesome. Our guide and the captain, they did a phenomenal job.
Hell yeah. So tomorrow starts the actual activities. So let's see what happens next. But for now, we're going to go get that puppy dog.
Yeah.
All right. And there she is. Lucy Lou. Here's your puppy dog. Did you miss us? Did you miss us? Hey, I'm over here. I see who her favorite is.
Any removals, replacements outside. Debris, wind, so we really can't, there's no removal replacement that we can do here whatsoever. We need to be inside in a dust-free. The other, we've had questions about magic erasers. Magic erasers are also too aggressive. So basically, anything that's patrol, bring them, please. And I'll get a card filled out for you. And enjoy this week. And it's great chatting with you. Thank you.
We can all put that TV behind here.
So we don't have another show. We have the diner on the other side. But we need to replace that cabinet where I'm at.
Checking out the Revive, so it's replacement for the wall boards and cabinets. I've been thinking about I've been thinking about putting some of this on to lighten it up a little bit in the RV. It is really windy here today. Like, really windy. So, thinking about changing it up a little bit. We saw a demo of this at the Tampa RV show. And I actually have a sample on the wall in the RV. But I'm thinking they got more colors here. I'm thinking about getting some samples and maybe do it.
So the first 2 days we've just spent pretty much meeting and greeting and going through all the steps. Today was the first day of doing seminars, and we did a couple different seminars. Nothing too crazy, pretty much product based only. But yeah, so then we kind of spent our day.
Can we join you?
Yeah, of course.
Absolutely. Of course.
What is your name? I'm Tara.
It's a good old 70s tribute. Got it.
Where am I can sit down.
Good music.
Some of it's good.
So we are
Day 2.
day 2, Tuesday
Tuesday.
of the rally. So already feels like it's been a long rally, but I think it's just because of the
does.
2 extra days of the weekend that we had here. So
It's not bad that it feels like we've been here a long time.
no, I mean it's our vacation. It's our anniversary week, so we are trying to have some fun. Yesterday was good.
Yeah, yesterday was a lot of fun.
And then last night we even had a barbecue for the dinner that they catered in, and they had a nice concert for a cover band, for a 70s cover band.
Yeah, it was really good.
What'd you think of the music?
It was good.
Yeah.
It was good. Yeah.
Somebody was afraid that she wouldn't know any of the songs from the 70s because she's so young.
So yeah. No, I don't know.
Say the words. Say the words.
I don't know that this is we're not having confessional time.
Oh, I think we are. Say it.
I wanted to think the 70s weren't going to really apply to me. They do.
They do. They did. We even broke out the e-bikes this week, so we
Yep.
didn't rent a golf cart.
Woo, winning.
So we're riding the e-bikes around this week. So, yeah.
Yep. It's a good time.
Yeah. So we've had breakfast. We went to one seminar already about full-time RVing and some lessons learned, which was okay. And so now we're going to go check out some models, I think.
All right, let's do it.
So next up is the 2026 version of ours, what we already have. Here's the current show price as of today. As I trip and fall up the steps.
Ooh, twist your ankle. Maybe we can get your feet.
Huh?
I said maybe we can get a free RV.
Maybe.
Look at that workspace.
Mm-hmm.
Elevator. At the workspace. The lights.
Yeah, it's got the Edison light bulbs.
Gas stove. Big microwave. Well, it looks big. It's pretty normal size. Inside that door is massive though. Look, it's got all your stuff on there. It's got the big window here. Look at that.
Yep. That window does me no good.
Well, fair.
But for the vertically challenged,
I like it.
same access panels, but there's no fuse box.
You can't get into this one. Is it underneath here?
No.
I don't know how to open this one.
That one I don't think you open.
Oh.
Our
Pretty much
favorite.
the same thing here.
Yeah, just a lot lighter colors. Tri-door.
The lighter colors do make it feel a lot bigger, doesn't it?
They got rid of the seat in the shower. There's no more seat, no more bench.
Pretty much the same back here in the bedroom.
That's a little bit cleaner.
Cleaner, isn't it?
That's a lot cleaner.
Oh, you got. Oh, there it is. You
That's
put it
about the
behind
same.
panel.
Yep.
But I like it behind the panel.
They split up the drawers.
Wonder what's here. That they're hiding. They kept the hamper shoe bin as we use it for. Not Betty's.
Yeah, I didn't think it would be.
I don't know if they found their boxes yet.
They moved the outlets forward.
And then you got your USB down here. So this one has a A and a C. That's kind of nice. I like it.
Still a ducted air conditioning system. Upgrade touch panel.
Oh, yep. Same pantry. It's pretty. The lighter colors definitely make it feel bigger.
I don't know if they make it feel bigger.
I feel like it does.
These chairs are super wide.
Yep. They have Lucy room.
That different, pretty much automatically adjust to any kind of room conditions. And we have the part numbers and stuff. If you're interested in that afterward, but we have a lot of customers that are taking their old ponies off and going to the bigger bore Evos. Because like on any straight axle coach, when you're sitting right over that axle, it definitely, right quality is important. Anybody have the new BFF?
So last night, we didn't do a whole lot of video, but we did a little bit. They had a little country band, cover band. That was
They were good.
pretty good. And dinner was okay. But yeah, so overall, the rally's doing good, I think. I like it. We just had our tanks cleaned, so
Yep.
yeah.
Air conditioning units up next.
Yep, that comes up later today. So I'm getting some of our maintenance stuff done, so happy for that.
So today's more of a hang at the RV and get stuff done, and then later today, we've got a couple seminars.
Yep. Overall, we'll take you along and see what you think. See what we learn.
They're keeping us busy. I'm tired.
It's not a vacation, that's for sure.
No. It's fun though. I mean, I would say it's definitely been a lot of fun.
Disco night. Woo!